6-month hibernation is over. The Testarossa is back on the road at last. It's so nice to be back in the car after such a delay. The wintertime here in Austria is long, and the car is just out of service. Had the full timing belt changes happen right now. Car's working really, really great. It's nice to be back. It's so strange to be back in a fully analog car with a 5-speed gated manual after being in my electric Audi for the last 1.5 months. It's so strange, but I miss it so much. I miss the noise. I miss the analogness of this car. And I really cannot wait to start putting some really quality kilometers on the car this year, really using it. I have some plans to get down to Italy. I'd like to get to Maranello with this car. The 328 will come back on the road next weekend as well. So if you're just tuning in for the first time, this is the spot to find out more about what it's like to live with classic Ferraris. If you've been here before, I appreciate you coming back. Stick around, lots more to come.